UZIN knows all the challenges that confront flooring contractors and always develops the right solutions, square meter by square meter. UZIN systems enable flooring installers to excel. UZIN, the floor belongs to you. How can cracks in the substrate be easily sealed? With UZIN KR516 Rapid Repair Resin. First, widen the cracks to allow UZIN KR516 to be easily poured into them. Treat cracks extending through the entire thickness of the screed by cutting crosscuts down to 2/3 of the screed depth, spaced approximately 25 centimeters apart. Remove loose debris off the screed. Carefully vacuum joints and cracks. Insert the enclosed corrugated links into the crosscuts. Pour the contents of component A bottle into the component B bottle. Close the bottle and mix vigorously for 15 seconds. The consistency can be freely chosen from thin to highly viscous, depending on the setting time. Completely fill the crack with the mix. Remove excess resin along the cracks or joints using a trowel. Whilst damp, apply sand onto the resin to achieve a good bond with subsequent materials. Vacuum any loose sand after it sets. Clean tools immediately after use with UZIN Clean Box cleaning cloths. Cracks can be sealed and closed within 30 minutes. The floor covering installation can then be continued.